While Windows 11 is recommended by Microsoft and is kind of better than Windows 10 in general as it has more features, and while you could say Windows 11 ditches a lot of features, but those features are old features that most people don't really care or think about, other than people who find gratitude in complaining about their computer's right-click menu. But this video is about Windows 10. Is it still worth it? Well, it depends. Depends on what, you may ask? The answer is nothing, because there is no difference between Windows 10 and 11. They are the same operating system. Hey guys, Sarmad here. Today we're going to be seeing the 10-year-old operating system, Windows 10, if it is still worth it in 2023. Like I was saying, Windows 11 is just a modified version of Windows 10. It's more of Windows 10 Pro Plus Max 2021 edition or something, with a new UI design and a few new multitasking features or something. It's like Windows 7 and Windows Vista, two very similar operating systems, except Windows 11 and Windows 10 literally have the same kernel, Windows NT 10.1. Windows 10 isn't Windows 8.1, where most of the stuff from OneDrive isn't even available. I'm even surprised your wallpaper from Windows 10 and 11 sync to Windows 8.1. Windows 10 still uses Microsoft Edge as the latest browser, and it uses the modern Microsoft Store, same one used in Windows 11. Many things are the same apps. However, Windows accessories are still Win32 apps, and not like modern UWP apps on Windows 10. These include Notepad and Paint. But there is one UWP app that isn't the same as Windows 11. Instead of a newer UWP snipping tool, it has a Windows 10 style UWP Snip and Sketch app. But there are even UWP apps that look like Windows 10 apps on Windows 11. But anyway, let's actually use Windows 10. Alright, so now we're in Windows 10, and with everything updated like the Microsoft Store apps and Windows itself, it functions just like a modern operating system. And it pretty much is. Looking at the actual start menu, there are a few pins for some regular everyday apps. And these are UWP apps, not just Metro Windows 8.1 apps. There is also a whole list of apps left to tiles in the start menu. These are no different from the one in Windows 11. However, the actual tiles are very different from Windows 11, as they are like on a phone's home screen. Here on Microsoft Edge, we have a modern web browser. This is no different to the one in Windows 11, but maybe it doesn't have the mica effect on the title bars. Here we have a UWP settings app, and while it doesn't have the same UI as the Windows 11 settings app, it is still pretty much the same, but you'll have to learn your way through it, as it is, well, a little bit different from the Windows 11 ones. Still has the same options. While Windows 10 is pretty much perfect for anyone who wants a reliable operating system for the computer, old or new, don't forget that support for Windows 10 will end on the 14th of October 2025. But we still have 2 years left till Windows 10 retirement, and even with that, Windows 10 might get its support extended 2 or more years. Now, is Windows 10 still worth it in 2023? Well, if you want to install Windows 10 on a computer that can run Windows 11 just fine, or buy a computer that can run Windows 11, sure, go ahead. Windows 10 is definitely usable, and you can upgrade to Windows 11 anytime. But if you want Windows 10 on a computer that can't run Windows 11, that should be fine too, as long as you are willing to upgrade to a newer computer by October 2025. So that pretty much wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching guys, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment, as it will really help with the channel grow. I'll see you in the next one.